Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to gather some information safely. Start by opening your Instagram app on your phone. Tap the three lines in the top right corner and select your activity. Scroll down and choose Download Your Information. Tap Request Download and confirm the account you want to use. You can either download a complete copy of all your data or select specific types of information. For this purpose, we only need followers and following, so select that. Click Next, choose HTML format, set the date range to all time, and submit the request. Instagram will email you the data. Once you receive the email, download the file. Open the folder and find the followers and the following information. Now you can compare the followers' files with your recent followers. If someone you remember seeing before is missing, they might have unfollowed you. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.